Chanel Matthews, and this is Unfiltered. Success has different meanings to different people. What does success mean to you?
Success to me is being content in whatever sphere of life you're in, being satisfied with whatever you have achieved thus far, and still trying to gain, but being satisfied and content wherever you are at life at that time. To me, that is success. It's a growth, but you're successful. Each step you take, you're being successful as long as you're doing the right thing and you're content with whatever you are doing. That is success to me.
Success means a lot, you understand? You have to just pursue, fight, put in the work till you make it at the top. You understand? As you can see, me in the street, I do the right thing. I'm a recording artist. You understand? I could have on corner, I glance on style, but we have to do the right thing. We have to aim to the top. Success means a lot. You understand? And it have a different feeling. It comes with a different feeling and a different emotion.
Success is basically setting a goal and accomplishing that within a specific time.
Success for me means being able to contribute to society the way that you ought to contribute. So for me, I like to help people, and because I like to help people, success for me means helping as many persons as I possibly can.
It means that you're getting ahead in life, and we have so many examples of successful people in Jamaica. They start from little means till they mature into something big.
It will have to do with raising my kids in this time. It's not acquiring a house for me or a car, but championing life in this time with my kids, being able to put them through school, to give them the opportunity to become and do better than I did. For me, that is success, because we can acquire a lot of tangible things, but then we have the kids who come and suffer, who didn't do better than we did, who aren't able to carry on a legacy or add to the name. So for me, that is what success is.
Success means to me that I have to make it out in life because I want to be a real estate agent, but I will not be studying it in Jamaica, but I want to make my parents proud and pass everything.